What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a Hellcat video, and boys, I am so hyped. I finally ordered my own custom M5 valve exhaust, and I made a mold for a Hellcat Charger freaking valve exhaust. That's the one for the Hellcat is what I've been waiting the longest for, dude. Till this day I still haven't found one company that's selling Hellcat valve exhausts, or I mean Charger, like Charger or Challenger, except like Armor Tricks, but Armor Tricks only does Challengers. I already tried getting a Charger one. So I'm super high, boys. I'm literally sending in the order today for the M5, and for the Hellcat I'm doing it this weekend, doing a couple of touches, and I'm so excited, bro. I finally got the molds done that I want, and it's coming in, boys. Let's go. I'm hyped. And the cool part about the exhaust is that the exact exhaust I'm getting, I'm gonna be reselling it on my website. So soon you're gonna be seeing me post my website, and also all the carbon fiber parts that are already on my car. I found the manufacturer. They actually hit me up. So now I'm working alongside the manufacturers I already ordered from before. Like, freaking, I did not get over this. I cannot believe, boys, I've been literally recording POVs for the past year and a half. Like, how have I been that consistent? Like, I don't know how I've been that consistent. It's actually kind of weird. It's just crazy, dude. It's just crazy how I've been keeping my flow. It's just... back windows. Holy dude, I'm not even sending it right now. I'm gonna send it on this one right here. Holy moly. Dude, that's freaky. That's so freaky, dude. The car was like shaking. Seems like to me my back tread is starting to get pretty... I don't know, dude. I feel like the treads on my tires are chilling. Dude, the car... Dude, that was kind of freaky. I'm gonna be honest, bro. This thing has too much power. I'm gonna be honest with you, boys. A little bit too much power. Yeah, I don't know, dude. That one pull I did, bro, the back end kind of shook in a weird way. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's not usually, like, when this grip, it's like a different feeling. This was like, I don't know, funky. It was a funky grip. It grips funky. But, yeah, I'm going to close my exhaust for now because I don't know why, bro. I've been seeing a lot more cops lately during this time. Usually I don't, dude. Usually I'm just driving most of the time, dude, and for weeks I don't see cops, but now it's like every single day. All right, boys, this is with the valves closed. It feels so good that I can close it, bro. That's honestly all I care about. As long as I can close it, I'm vibing, bro. It's still pretty loud because, I mean, the muffler is only going to do so much. So it's still pretty loud. But definitely not as loud, dude. Like, if you guys heard this exhaust on the streets, dude, you can hear me from miles away. It's like not even a good thing anymore, bro. You see what I'm saying, bro? This car, the engine's just too big on this thing, bro. You're gonna hear it no matter what. Dang, bro, Corvette. This is Z06. Yo, Yo, that is freaky. That is, bro, that's freaky, dude. I don't, honestly, bro, I've realized I don't really push my car like that, like, anymore. I used to do it way more often, but not anymore, bro. That felt creepy, bro. Like, bro, the way it screams is just ridiculous. I cannot believe I went catless. I'm gonna do one pull. One. If there's a cop like 3 streets away, he's gonna freaking hear me, bro. Okay, but just gotta make sure all these cars are coming by. Alright, ready, boys? That's freaking ridiculous. It's freaking ridiculous, bro. It's actually ridiculous. That's crazy. It's like, it's not even, the craziest part is it's not even going that fast because it's not gripping legit the whole time. Dude, even with the valves freaking closed, it still sounds so good. But honestly, bro, I think I'm gonna go back to cats low key, because since I'm in like California, I'm always overthinking my exhaust, bro. And I mean, dude, let's be honest, bro. Catless on a Hellcat with a 6.2 liter is just stupid loud, stupid loud. Even before I went catless, it hurts your freaking ears. So just imagine, dude. Imagine it hurting your ears before cats. Dude, now it destroys your freaking ears. I'm gonna try to open it up right now. Yeah, I think it's time to go back to putting cats on. I'm still gonna probably keep the valve exhaust because obviously it's like nice to be. That whine, dude, it's crazy. I'm not even gassing it. That blowout of the whine, I used to never hear that. Unfreaking real. Unfreaking real. Crazy, man. The shifts is so quick, it's ridiculous. But you know, I remember when I used to watch the POVs, man, it used to give me so much motivation, and it was just like a whole different feeling, you know. Like, I don't know, it's like when you don't have the car, bro, you get goosebumps watching. I used to get goosebumps watching these Hellcat freaking POVs, and now I have one, and I pretty much haven't watched a POV since then. But pretty much, I remember when I used to watch POVs. The only thing I don't like about POVs back in the day was like, people will record POVs, they'll gas it for like a minute and then talk, and then not even talk, but just cruise for like the next 10 minutes, which, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, that's why you see me gassing so freaking much. I don't want you guys to feel the way I used to feel, you know? Like, I'm trying my best to pull out as much power out of this freaking car for you guys. And hopefully they don't deny my warranty for it. But if they try to, bro, I'm just gonna tell them, guys, come on. This is how I promote you guys by doing this. Alright, boys, we're out, hit the gym. I'm gonna implement like nighttime POVs almost kind of in every single video, just because I work so late. So by the time I start recording, the sun's already coming down. Plus, it makes it so everyone kind of gets what they want, you know? Beautiful wine, bro. That wine is therapeutic as fudge. But for real, boys, please, if you're not making over 120K minimum, don't buy these cars, because these cars are dropping in value right now. They are dropping in value. I'll buy a lot. So don't rush it, man. We're the rest of our lives. The whole point of these videos, man, is for me to rape it, so you can see the potential. That's the reason why I got this car. I was so tired of not seeing the full potential. Holy. But for real though, I've seen so many cops today. It's actually kind of unbelievable. So I think I'm gonna put my cats back on for like at least the next 6 months, because things seem like they're getting hot, bro. Dude, those pops, dude, from the outside, it's crazy. I need to borrow my friend's 360 cam, dude. Because from what I heard, bro, it's like, it looks so good. And plus, I kind of want to get some outside POVs now, man. All right, boys, we're done with the gym. I'm probably gonna continue this POV if I didn't record enough yet. Dude, this exhaust is freaking insane, bro. Dude, that's actually crazy. Dude. Hope you guys have been enjoying these videos, man. I'm excited. I ordered both exhausts for the Hellcat and the M5. Let's go. I'm hyped.